Hey guys, thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time, you're welcome. I'll be showing you guys how to cook the Nigerian 2-in-1 soup, which is the Ogbono and okro cooked in one pot. This soup is something I make all the time because my kids love it. I actually use it to introduce them to solid food because the tiny balls of eba slice down their throat even before they swallow it. There are so many ways of cooking this soup, but you can never go wrong with this method. So if you're interested, please stay tuned as we get right into the ingredients. I'll be using beef and cow skin, but you're free to use any meat of your choice. I'll also be using dry catfish, stockfish head, and smoked fish. Smoked fish tastes so heavenly in the soup. Ugu and okra. Onions, seasoning cubes, shombo, this is optional. I'll just be dicing it to add color to the soup. Yellow pepper, salt, red oil, grounded ogbono, and crayfish. Okay, let's begin by cooking the meat. I'll be adding the beef and the cow skin together because this particular cow skin is very soft. I'll be adding onions to it, seasoning cubes, and salt to taste. I won't be adding water now. I'll let it cook with its own juice, then add water later. Cover and set on the fire, but make sure to have an eye on it. Now the meat is cooking, let's go ahead to prepare the rest of the ingredients. I want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. And if you're yet to subscribe, please do so. Click on the notification bell so you get notified once I upload a video. Now all the ingredients are ready, let's get started. I'll start by adding red oil to a dry pot. Add onions to it and stir fry. Honestly, these onions gives a wonderful flavor to the soup. After stir frying, reduce your flame because very hot oil tends to break the sliminess of the ogbono and it may not draw. I have already added the ogbono in the oil. I'll be mixing it thoroughly to remove any lumps. I'll be pouring the meat together with the meat stock. I'll be adding in water gradually till I get the right consistency. I'll be adding my stockfish. This stockfish is already washed and soaked, so it's very soft. But if you're using a very strong stockfish, please add it while cooking your meat. The wash and deboned dry fish goes right after. Give that a stir, cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. It's always very good to cook ogbono for that length of time to eliminate the taste of raw ogbono, but please stir occasionally to avoid it getting burnt. Wow, check out those bubbles. This looks so good. This is after 15 minutes, so we'll go ahead to add the rest of the ingredients. Into that, I'll be adding my coarsely pounded crayfish and yellow pepper. Guys, I tell you, if you get the original yellow pepper, it gives a wonderful aroma to the soup. It's time to add our seasoning cubes. I'll be giving that a quick stir to avoid the bottom getting burnt. I'll be adding my diced shombo into that, but this is totally optional. I just love to see those little red contrasting color here and there in the soup. It's time to add our smoked fish. And this tastes so good in ogbono soup. Stir gently to avoid breaking them. Okay, we'll cover and cook for more 5 minutes to let all the ingredients combine together. Now the food is almost ready. I won't be adding any salt to that because the salt from the meat stock and the seasoning cube was just perfect. And my bowl of fresh okra goes right into that. Stir that gently to combine them together. I'll be adding just a little water to loosen it up. Feel free to add water as you desire, but I love my soup very thick. At times I don't even need to eat this with swallow. I just lick a plate of it and I tell you, I'm satisfied and filled. I'll be adding the last item, which is sliced ugu leaves. Once I add this, I bring it down because the heat from the pot will complete the job and I still want to get that crunchiness from the okra. Wow, look at that color, guys. This looks so good. And our soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like and share, and stay tuned for more interesting videos.